No matter how many times life has broken your confidence, you can rebuild your self-respect. It won't happen overnight, but it can happen. Today, we're talking about how to become someone you respect again. There comes a moment in life when you realize you've been living for everyone else. You ignored your own needs. You accepted treatment you never deserved. You stayed silent when you should have spoken. And little by little, your self-respect disappeared. But here's the good news. Self-respect isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. One decision, one habit, one promise to yourself at a time. The first step is learning to forgive yourself. Many people carry guilt for years. They blame themselves for every mistake, every failed relationship, every opportunity they missed. But guilt cannot build a better future. It only keeps you trapped in the past. Forgive yourself, not because what happened didn't matter, but because you deserve the chance to grow beyond it. The second step, keep promises to yourself. If you say you'll wake up early, do it. If you promise to exercise, show up. If you promise to stop texting someone who constantly hurts you, keep that promise. Every promise you keep builds trust with yourself, and trust is the foundation of self-respect. Third, protect your peace. Not every argument deserves your attention. Not every opinion deserves your energy. Not everyone deserves access to your life. Your peace is valuable. Guard it. Fourth, stop comparing your journey to everyone else's. Social media shows highlights, not reality. The strongest people you admire today were once insecure too. Growth takes time. Respect the season you're in. Finally, speak to yourself with kindness. The voice inside your head becomes the voice you believe. If you constantly tell yourself you're not enough, eventually, you'll live like it. Instead, say this: I am growing. I am learning. I deserve respect. I deserve peace. Small words, repeated daily, create powerful beliefs. Remember this: confidence isn't pretending you're perfect. Confidence is knowing you're worthy. Even while you're still growing, the person you're becoming is shaped by the choices you make today. Choose yourself. Choose discipline. Choose growth. Most importantly, choose to become someone you're proud to be, because the greatest relationship you'll ever have is the one you have with yourself. You've learned what self-respect is, why people lose it, why they stay where they aren't valued, why boundaries matter, and now, how to rebuild it. But there's one final lesson. In part 6, we'll discover the truth that brings everything together. The final lesson that changes everything. I'll see you there.